What's up everyone, George is here, and today I'm going to show you how to change the oil and the filter on a 2017 Nissan Altima. This car takes a 5W20 oil, synthetic oil only, and it takes 4.9 quarts, let's call it 5 quarts. And now I'm going to show you how to drain the oil and change the filter. And after that, it's pretty simple. You just add 5 quarts of 0W20 synthetic oil. Alright, so this car has 4,500 miles, so this is going to be the very first oil change on this car. So let's see. Okay, so this is the drain plug, and the filter is hiding under here. We have to remove this clip and change the filter. And this is a 40mm wrench. Okay, so we'll remove this plastic piece, and there's the filter right there. We're gonna spin it out and put the new one in. Alright, so that was it guys. It was a quick, short overview on how to change it. You really don't need more than that. Just add the oil after that, 5 quarts, 0W20 synthetic oil, and you're good to go. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you next time.